The lungs and respiratory system allow us to breathe and obviously get our energy out of oxygen. They obviously bring oxygen into our bodies and send carbon dioxide out. In other words, without healthy lungs, we cannot live, especially if we're having trouble with them. Now, if we want to help them out with a change of seasons, we have to know what to eat, what to take in order to improve lung health or a lung cleanse in the process. Believe it or not, this is possible if you know what to eat or take on a daily basis. So in today's video, I'll reveal the best and top foods you can consume to improve lung health and what you should eat to stay healthy and free of respiratory conditions. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of point of quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I share tips and video links related to this topic. There are several factors that can affect lung health, including physical activity levels, genetics, and even environmental factors or conditions. Now, guess what? Diet also plays a key role in respiratory health, and incorporating a few of the best foods for your lungs is a simple strategy you can use to decrease inflammation, improve pulmonary function, and even help your respiratory tract with eliminating allergies. Conditions like asthma, bronchitis, EPOC, or allergies can all be greatly improved if you help out your lungs with what they need for them to actually help themselves. In addition to supplying a wealth of important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, foods have also been researched for their ability to enhance lung health and protect you against a number of respiratory problems. So in today's video, I'll reveal some of the top foods you can consume to improve lung health and what you can eat to stay healthy and free of respiratory conditions. Number 1, green apples. You've heard the phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and believe it or not, it's not just a phrase, it's actually a very true statement. Very true. Apples themselves, especially green apples, are great for pulmonary health. This fruit specifically may promote a better lung health due to its anti-allergic properties it has. Now think of green apples, especially of good lung cleansers. One study actually published in the European Journal of Respiratory Conditions reported that apples could help slow the declining lung function over 10-year periods of former smokers. Very, very key. It's as if green apples were there to help clean out all the junk you've been inhaling, especially in the lungs if you've had any trouble with them. You see, the phytochemicals found in apples have also been shown to decrease oxidative stress and inflammation, which could help potentially enhance pulmonary function. Now, obviously, we need a lot more study in this matter, but we already know that it works, so go ahead and try it. If you need something natural you can use to improve lung health and stay healthy at the same time, something with more ingredients than just green apples, look for Immunoquin and Green Shot from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Immunoquin contains Artemisia annua, excellent for lung health overall and many other respiratory conditions. Number 2, garlic. Garlic has specific chemical compounds that are highly effective in killing countless microorganisms, including fungus, bacteria, or even viruses. Just garlic alone. Experience has shown that garlic has a specific chemical compound called allicin that is very effective in killing off some of the rarest infections and commonly the common cold. Now, a very interesting study was done in the past where people took either garlic supplements or a placebo for 12 weeks during a cold season between November and February, and the garlic takers were less likely to get a cold, and if they got a cold, they recovered much faster than the placebo group. Those who didn't take garlic had a much greater chance of getting sick, contracting more than one cold over that 12-week period. The study ended up attributing garlic's ability to preventing that common cold to its star component, allicin. Now, apart from all of this I've just mentioned, garlic possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant properties that can also help protect you against oxidative stress within the lungs and throughout the body. So it's very practical. If you need something natural for heart health, which is, by the way, completely linked and tied to lung health, look for OnCardio and Heart Excel from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, green tea. Green tea is another one of those substances that is obviously full of antioxidants and polyphenols. Both of these families are substances found in this tea, specifically green tea, that are beneficial for lung function. Now, for example, it contains glycine, I think that's how you say it, which has been shown to help suppress lung cancer growth in vitro studies. Green tea also contains theophylline, which is a powerful compound that acts as a bronchodilator that improves airway function and eases breathing difficulties. That's something you can use too inside green tea. And there's new research showing also that regular consumption of green tea could be linked to lowering the risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, that's COPD for short, a group of progressive lung diseases that causes shortness of breath, coughing, and wheezing. You'd be surprised to see how effective natural substance can actually be. I've seen it. The problem is that we're accustomed to immediate action, and if we don't see that immediate effect that same day, we throw it away. If you need something natural that contains green tea and more than 50 other fruit and vegetable extracts, vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and more, look for Green Shot and Multivitamin from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best foods for lung thanks to its content of curcumin, the chemical that provides turmeric that vibrant color, that yellow color, and impressive health benefits. Preliminary research suggests that anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric could aid in the treatment of several respiratory conditions, and we've seen it actually works, like asthma, COPD, acute respiratory distress syndrome, lung injury, and even pulmonary fibrosis, believe it or not. Now, everything I've just said is all true simply because turmeric is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory substances in existence. Probably one of the most impressive health benefits of turmeric is its ability to reduce inflammation, and that's very crucial. A very impressive number of diseases such as cancer, ulcerative colitis, arthritis, high cholesterol levels, and even chronic pain are all associated with inflammation. And if you take turmeric, they might improve. If you need something natural that contains the best extract of curcumin from turmeric substances, something that has a 95% curcuminoid extract, look for Curcu Health from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, ginger. Ginger is also a different potent spice that has been extensively studied for medicinal properties, and especially when it comes to lung health, and it's had great results. In one animal model, administering ginger to rats was effective at decreasing lung damage and protecting against inflammation and excess oxygen levels, by the way. Another animal model showed that ginger extract prevented DNA and tissue damage in the lungs caused by alcohol. Now, ginger is, by the way, a very beneficial natural substance, one that could not just be recommended for lung health, but also thyroid function, circulation, heart health, cholesterol, you name it. If you need something effective for thyroid health, which by the way impressively improves lung function, look for Metathyroid and Immunoquin from Fineland at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by using the thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos to stop with infection that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.